Eucalyptus staigeriana is an evergreen tree of the genus Eucalyptus, which comprises about 600 species belonging to the family of the Myrtaceae. The tree reaches a height of approximately 40 meters, exceeded by other specimens of the same genus, which, like Eucalyptus amygdaline, for example, may grow up to more than 140 meters high, higher even than the well-known Californian Sequoia gigantea. The Eucalyptus genus is native to Australia, particularly to Queensland, New South Wales, but also Tasmania and eastern Indonesia. Its species in general are popular as quick growers. Some of the species also grow in China. Nearly 70% of all the trees growing in Australia today belong to the genus Eucalyptus. Aborigines traditionally have been using different parts of the eucalyptus trees over a long time as cure-all medicine, not less than what white settlers did in the course of the colonization of the Australian continent. The timber of eucalyptus has always been used for construction. The plant was not earlier introduced to Europe than 1788. The essential oil extracted from Eucalyptus piperita, for example, was applied first in Europe due to its anticatarrhal properties against ailments of the respiratory system like bronchitis, asthma, flu, and coughs. It was popular under the name of Sydney peppermint. Eucalyptus staigeriana, known also as lemon ironbark, has in the meantime been naturalized in countries like Guatemala, Brazil, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The tree prefers a habitat of subtropical climate and favors sandy or loamy soils in landscapes exposed to the sun. The foliage of the species consists of robust, leathery leaves of blue-green color, yielding an abundance of about 3% of the desired essential oil obtained by steam distillation. Today, the majority of Eucalyptus staigeriana essential oil is produced in Brazil and in Guatemala. The lemon-like scent of the pale to dark yellow liquid with a tinge of rosemary is remarkable for the species. It grants the oil as a flavoring agent a special importance within essential oils production and perfumery, and often seems to replace partially even lemon oil. The flowers grow in umbels and emanate a very aromatic, refreshing scent. Protected as buds by a cup-like membrane, they ripen to form fruit capsules. Not to forget, the name eucalyptus is from Greek origin and means well hidden, referring to the fruit capsules hiding the seeds. Comparable to bay leaf, the leaves of Eucalyptus staigeriana are used also in savory cooking and are added, due to their fruity lemon flavor, as an ingredient to herb tea mixtures, confectionery and bush food in Australia. Due to their more or less high proportion of different biochemical constituents, like cineol or eucalyptol, the species in itself of eucalyptus is favored for special demands. The Eucalyptus polybactea, for example, also called blue Malay, is one of the strongest antiseptics and is prominent for its highest cineol content. But all of them, including the species of Eucalyptus globulus, Eucalyptus radiata, with its camphorous aroma, Eucalyptus smithii, and Eucalyptus staigeriana, are well known for their medicinal properties in treating respiratory infections like colds and flu. Eucalyptus staigeriana, with its refreshing, sweet lemon-scented aroma, is not as cineol-rich as Eucalyptus polybactea, for example, but it deserves a remarkable importance within different medical systems, including aromatherapy. The staigeriana type is definitely more gentle than the Eucalyptus globulus type, due to its lower sinual portion and therefore preferably more used for example, irritable skin of children. Eucalyptus staigeriana relieves coughs and fever. It is also used as a healing agent in case of sore muscles and joints, as well as nerve pains, soothing the tissue concerned. It even serves for alleviating digestive ailments. Eucalyptus staigeriana finds wide application as an agent for healing wounds, for burns, insect bites or stings, abscesses, and ulcers. Its properties can be summarized as an antiseptic, antiviral, expectorant, anti-inflammatory, and digestive stimulant. The benefit of its cleaning and vitalizing properties furthermore can be recommended to be used in diffusers for sick rooms or for detoxification in sauna rooms. Emotionally, the plant stands for strengthening the human energy system by dispelling exhaustion and assisting against mental sluggishness. The main biochemical constituents of the staigeriana essential oil are limonene, geraniol, terpinolane, geranyl acetate, and others which indicate a certain sweetness of its very special aroma. Eucalyptus staigeriana blends well with lavender, with rosemary, with thyme, lemon, cedarwood, marjoram, white pine oil, and many others.